In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Citizens Bank credit card. First things first, you'll need to have its official mobile app installed on your phone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, just head to your App Store or Google Play Store and install the official app. Once the app is installed, open it up and log into your account using its login credentials. However, if you have not yet registered for online banking, you need to sign up for a new one. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main dashboard where all your accounts are displayed. If your new credit card has already been linked to your account, you'll usually see a message or banner prompting you to activate it. Tap on that prompt to get started. The app will then ask you to verify your identity by confirming some basic details, typically the last 4 digits of your card number, your date of birth, or the security code on the back of your card. Once everything checks out, you'll see an Activate Card button. Go ahead and tap it. Within a few seconds, you'll get a confirmation letting you know your credit card is now active and ready to use. Well, that's how you activate your Citizens Bank credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.